India shuts down a border with Pakistan. NDTV reports from Wagah-Atari border. Deadline set for Pakistani nationals to leave. So key decisions have been taken by the centre. In fact, the government says visas to Hindu-Pak nationals stand revoked. Let's also go across to our reporter Gurpreet, who's joining us from the border. We believe, Gurpreet, of course, this is a significant decision that has been taken. There is a lot of history and importance as far as the Wagah border is concerned. The border became a space for shared gestures during festivals and, all kinds of drills also happening there. But now a key decision has been taken of shutting down the border with Pakistan, the Wagah-Atari border. Take us through, what you're seeing there. Are people flocking around to go to the other side?
Well, yes, we are reporting from this Atari Wagah border, and first of all, I'll request my camera person to show all these pictures from ground. We see only 1 kilometer away is India-Pakistan border. At the same time, we can also show all these visuals from ground. A huge number of Pakistan nationals, they have already reached, and
All right, we seem to have lost that line with Gurpreet, but what we can confirm, of course, this is by way of announcement and decision that was taken by the central government yesterday following the terror attack. India deciding to shut the Atari Wagah border crossing. This is a vital trade route as far as India-Pakistan is concerned. The closure is, of course, anticipated to severely impact Pakistan's economy as well, which is already struggling. Of course, historically there is a lot of significance as far as the border is concerned, significant for trade. The corridor has been seen a declining activity since 2018 due to rising political tension. So India making its intention very clear after the terror attack. Also, it is using all possible means to corner Pakistan. Let's go back to Gurpreet. Gurpreet, you're showing in those visuals several people who seem to be flocking around to go to the other side. But what can you tell us from the border?
Well, we will talk one of the Pakistan national to understand all these things. So, sir, आप वापस जा रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट के इंस्ट्रक्शंस के बाद?
बिल्कुल, definitely. I'm going to return Pakistan.
So, we have seen this terror attack which has been carried out at Pahalgam. After that, the government has taken a lot of stand, and they had given a very clear-cut instructions. You are going because of these instructions which has been passed to all the Pakistan nationals?
देखिए, I don't know. I have received the news कि ऐसा हो गया एक्सीडेंट. ठीक है, हमें ये इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली कि आप जो है ये ऐसा हो गया कश्मीर में, तो आप लोग LIC ऑफिस आए कि आप जो है इंडिया छोड़ दें और आप जो है 24-48 घंटे का टाइम है, आप 27 तारीख तक वापस चले जाएं. उन्हें बुलाया, हमें एंट्री दे दी, हम जा रहे हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू रिटर्न.
So, well, we can
All right, we will go back to Gurpreet in just a bit. There seems to be a network trouble there at the border, but those are the visuals of people of Pakistani origin who've been asked to go back to their country, and that is what we are witnessing at this point. India making its intention very clear. It is, of course, cornering Pakistan into submission to ensure that it refrains from cross-border terrorism. Of course, India announcing the immediate closure of the Atari Wagah border crossing. This is, of course, the sole permissible trade route between the two countries. Move going to impact Pakistan. This is located near Amritsar in India and Wagah in Pakistan. Let me go back to Gurpreet. Yes, Gurpreet.
Well, here at Atari Wagah border, we have seen a number of Pakistan nationals. They have already reached here, and at about 10 o'clock, this border will be open, and after that, the authority will take a final call on this. What we have learned, some of the family members, they are also facing problem because we have seen in one of the cases, mother has an Indian passport, whereas the children, they have a Pakistan passport, so they are trying to deal with such type of problems at here at Atari Wagah border. But if we can talk about this Atari Wagah border, it has a lot of historic and tourist importance. And if specifically we can talk about Amritsar also, the people who visit Amritsar, they come here to see that parade, that retreat ceremony which is happening here. Yesterday we have seen multiple changes had been made here because both the side, Pakistan side as well as Indian side, the gates were not being opened. The idea and the main reason behind this, the government has given a very clear-cut instructions to Indian government to give a very strong message to Pakistan after this Pahalgam attack. We have seen in this retreat ceremony so many times both the sides, from Indian side as well as from Pakistan, gates were being opened, the parades were being continued between both the forces. But yesterday we have seen the gates were not being opened. Even handshaking ceremony which is happening during this retreat ceremony, that was also not happening from yesterday onwards. So multiple changes had been taken place at Atari Wagah border. And if we can talk about this specific place, this Atari border, we have seen the trade relationship was also going between both the countries. A lot of people who are involved in this trade, they are also coming here to just find out what are the instruction which has been given by the government, because multiple trade relationship were going on between both the countries, and a lot of people who are also running business from this Atari Wagah border. So as of now, the situation at Atari Wagah border, where we can see huge number of Pakistan nationals, they have already reached after the government had given instruction to all the Pakistan nationals to leave the country within 48 hours or till April 27. So after getting these instructions, we have seen a number of people, they have already come here. So let's see that how the things will be unfolded, and how these instructions which has been passed by the Indian government to give a very strong message to Pakistan government. So we have to wait and watch to find out how the things will be going on at Atari border. Back to studio.